All right, good morning, guys. Today I'm working on this 2006, 2007 Acura RDX. And what I'm doing is replacing the condenser here. This one has that huge hole right there. So whenever we would try to charge it, it just kept hissing out the AC there. So there's no need to, bleed the entire system here. It's kind of simple. We just took off the whole bumper. It's kind of easy. Just got pop clips here, holding the bumper, and then pop clips around the bottom where it has its protected like underguard, and then it's literally just pulling from here. You pull here. This lady unfortunately had an accident, so her stuff is kind of messed up, but generally that's what you're gonna do. All right, so what I did here, 10 here, 10 here. There's gonna be another 10 right here, 10 here, 10 here. Those are just the brackets there, and it's gonna be held on by a plastic clip. These wires, just take that out. Boom, boom. So now I got it mostly out. I might have to, I might just have to take this bracket off, but these are all just 10s to allow this to move forward, in order for me just to pull this forward and then pull it straight out. And it's fairly simple. It's not that hard. The only problem you guys might run into is just taking out the bumper and clearing the system if need be. Okay, instead of taking these two 10s out there, there's one just that's down here. This one, took that one out and it just literally like slid down out. This was kind of in there good. You just need to give it like a good yank, just as well as this one. That's basically it, guys. I didn't think this was gonna be that easy, to be honest, but hey, for all you guys that work on cars, know that, or girls, guys or girls, you guys know that this is never easy. So having an easy car once in a while is a bad thing. I just kind of cut myself. Great. Here she is. Nice, don't want to get blood on there, so I'm gonna put this down in. Clean myself up and then install it. Alright, got the new one in almost completely. Get this installed and installed. You guys want to install this first while this can still move, freely back and forth, side to side. Bracket bolt there. Don't tighten these too hard because you can't get some snap action. And then then you're really messed up. Don't forget these rubber grommets here. They were stuck on the old one. New ones usually don't come with them. And then it's just installing these rubber ones back up top there, and literally just putting the bumper back on. That is all. One thing I didn't mention, when you're taking the bumper off, do not forget these. Do not pull it too hard, because you'll have to unplug these as well. Just the fog lights. But that's it. Just something to note. We turned on the car, put the AC on full blast, and charged it. That's it, guys. That's how you change the AC condenser on a 2006, 2007 Acura RDX.